beautiful family members, in this video I'll be making this delicious spring roll with you all. Welcome to my YouTube channel. To my old and new subscriber, I love you. For this recipe, I'll start by making my spring roll fillings, and for my filling I'll be using cabbage. I'll be using some carrots. I've shredded my carrots already. I have my chicken. This is boneless chicken breast. I have some bell pepper, that is the red bell pepper, the yellow bell pepper, and the green bell peppers. I'll also be using some chopped onions and spring onions. I also have some salt to taste and scotch bonnet pepper. I'll also be using some seasoning. I have my all-purpose seasoning and my curry powder. Next thing, I'll start by slicing my cabbage, and this is how I slice my cabbage. You can see how tiny it is, and this is what it looks like. So right now I'm just using my food processor to blend my chicken, and this is what I have with it. So you can use any type of chicken, you just have to boil it, then debone it and use that as well. Next step, I'll add some vegetable oil to my pot, add my onions and let this fry for a few minutes to release some flavor. After that, I'll go ahead and add my chicken and allow this to stir fry. I'll allow this to stir fry for a few minutes. Then I'm going to add my scotch bonnet pepper. So I'll stir that in very well. The next thing I'm adding now is my salt and the rest of my seasoning. You can actually season this just the way you want it. The next thing I'm adding now is my bell pepper. And as you can see how colorful it is. So I'm just going to stir everything together and cover this, allow this to cook for a few minutes. Few minutes after, this is what it's looking like. So I'm just going to stir it together. Then I'll add my carrots. After that, I'm going to add my cabbage. Then I'll stir everything together until everything is well combined. Finally, I'll be adding my spring onions. So I'm just going to stir everything together and then turn off the heat. Spring roll filling is ready. The next thing, I'll be making my spingle wrap. And to make my spingle wrap, I will be using flour, salt and water to form a paste. This wrap is also the same wrap with my samosa wrap. It's the same process, the same method and the same recipe. So I'm going to leave the link for my samosa video in the description box so you check it. This same process is actually the same process with my samosa. I use the same wrap for my samosa and spring roll. So I heat up the non-stick pan a little bit, then apply the batter with my palm. Then allow that to cook for a few minutes. So once the edges started coming out, then you remove it. And that's it. So if you are making samosa and spring roll, you use the same wrap. So when you are making your wrap, you make enough wrap that will go around for both. Once you have your wrap ready, you pick one of your wrap and put in your fillings. Then you fold it. Once you fold it like this twice and make sure that your fillings is at the middle. Then you apply your glue and use it to seal the edge. Then you fold it on each other. Then apply your glue again, then you roll it over. And that is how to wrap your spring roll. So spring roll is so easy to wrap. Just make sure that you don't overfill your wrap, and always make sure that the filling is always at the middle before you roll it. Then you roll it over twice, then you fold it at the two sides before you roll it over completely. I'm just going to repeat the same process with the rest of the wrap that I have. So guys, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and be part of the family. I share amazing recipe on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to turn on your notification, like and share. And please don't forget to leave me some comments in the comment section. For the list of the ingredients that I use will also be in the description box below. Please check. Once I finish rolling my spring roll, the next thing I start frying it. So I fry it. I've made sure that my oil has been preheated. So I'm just going to fry this until it is golden brown and is looking like this. And guys, this is my spring roll recipe. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you will be recreating this recipe and let me know your feedback. And this is my spring roll. So guys, till I come your way in my next video, keep believing in yourself. Bye bye guys. Thank you for watching.